Well, good afternoon. We're looking at some conditions that are quiet out there. This is our live view in Grand Forks. Big weekend in the Grand Cities, UND's Potato Bowl going on, and we're looking at some pretty decent conditions right now with just a little bit of wind. And again, some areas along the Red River and west still seeing a little bit of that haze going on this morning, or this afternoon now, I should say, in those areas. But it is a sunny day here. Here's a look at our temperatures. We've got 60s and 70s. You can see warmer to the south, cooler to the north, and check out Sisseton. That's definitely the warm spot. We're at 78 degrees here, and in Fargo 71, 67 in Grand Forks, and more upper 60s in the north. But everybody's warming up, so that sun will continue to do its work to warm us, especially ahead of the front that's moving through. And you can see where it is, the wind shift. We've got wind out of the south here in the southeast, and then we've got wind out of the north in the north and west. And between that boundary, and you can see the wind a little stronger in places like Jamestown and Langdon. We've got winds gusting into the teens and 20s. So here's a look at your radar right now. It's pretty quiet in the valley, a few clouds, especially up along the border area. But we're really looking out to the west for that next chance for some rain and some thunderstorms. And it's affecting places like the Dickinson area, Medora area this afternoon, and will continue drifting eastward through time. So let's show you what we can expect. A lot going on this weekend in Fargo too, and Moorhead. We're looking at conditions that are going to be pretty quiet for tonight, or this afternoon I should say, with some temperatures getting into the low to upper 70s, and some of us even into some low 80s, especially the Sisseton area, given we're almost there as it is. And then we have a few more clouds trying to take over as we work our way into this evening. Here's a look at tonight. 8 o'clock, you can see we've got some showers starting to move into places like the Devil's Lake, Jamestown area, points west from there. And that rain could move in right when we're going out to those Friday night football games. Just be aware that you might need that rain gear or just something to stay dry if you have one of those showers passing through. You can see most of us around that time are still pretty dry. By 11 o'clock, a couple of these showers migrate eastward, and then you see a more substantial area of rain pushing in for Saturday morning. This is 5 o'clock Saturday morning, and Southern Valley is kind of the area of focus here for the potential for this rain to have impacts on us. So southern half, I should say. So we're looking at 9 o'clock tomorrow. The parade for the Potato Bowl tomorrow morning in Grand Forks. You might have a little rain passing through. Be a good idea to check the VNL weather app for the latest radar and what's coming your way. And then into the later morning and into the noon hour, we're watching that rain start to move to the east. If you're doing some tailgating, you'll want to have some gear to stay dry. And then by the time we get into the afternoon, you see more breaks in the clouds, but there's still a couple of spotty areas of showers going on. So just be aware there will still be that possibility even into the afternoon tomorrow. But that's the time where it's going to be a little more starting to dry out, a little more sunny and bright for your Saturday afternoon, with temperatures yet again into the 60s and 70s. So here's a look at your weekend planner tomorrow. Again, that chance for some showers shouldn't be too heavy, probably a quarter inch or less in most areas. And then Sunday, drier with cooler air still hanging around. And that continues on into next week, just kind of smooth sailing here in the forecast with a shot of rain next coming up on Thursday. So still pretty dry out there.
Yeah, but a lot of the main heat is out of the woods.
We could still see a resurgence of heat coming back this month, but at least for now, over the 11-day planner, it's not
70s.
Looking like it.
Yes, it's going to be perfect. Lisa, thank you so much.